Y'all, I just want y'all to forgive me in advance. You know, I'm no beauty queen unless I feel like fleeking my makeup and my hair or whatever. But anyway, um, but am I the only one that noticed these new twins added to the cast of Little Women of LA? Not LA, Little Women of Atlanta. I am so disturbed. Like, I can't even talk. Like, it's like a joke. It's really got to be like a joke or just for higher ratings. Their name is Hope and Charity, y'all. The names really, really fucked me up. And like, it got me messed up. This Hope and Charity. And then they have a nerve to be ratchet and thinking they the shit. And y'all got, I had to insert a clip of the show. And I hope they don't delete it due to copyright issues or whatever. But y'all, it's like they got on makeup or something, like it's a prank. Like they gonna be like, psych, this ain't what we look like. Yeah, it looked like Leprechaun in the Hood. Yeah, Leprechaun. Oh no, y'all look at this. Y'all, now I know I'm wrong, but look, yeah, these are. I hope y'all can see this. Please go back into these. These are the most unattractive. Look, y'all. Look at these new twins on the show, y'all.
Wait. Can we move?
Oh my god.
Bree told me she invited the drama.
Look at them. Tell me they don't look like Leprechaun in the Hood. Don't.
I don't see no.
Look.
Because he wouldn't understand if something had popped out. I just don't know if y'all was coming to stir some stuff up. Because you remember last time we met up, it didn't go right. It didn't come out well. Now nobody.
Oh my god.
I didn't even know you would go like that. I mean, I'm sitting here exactly so
where their teeth at though?
You don't know it's gonna go like that.
I got a chip tooth, but my god. Oh, I can't. This is foolery. Yeah, I'm sorry. Is this illegal to record this? Y'all gonna witness this with me. Not a tooth in sight. Not a one. Look, don't get him mad. Don't make it mad.
I didn't hear apology from you for my son.
Look, and they both gone.
They called me.
I know twins are like a lot alike, but how the hell y'all lose your teeth? I can't tell my noise. But my God, y'all, they could have did better. This is set up to get us to watch. Look at that mother. Child.
She started rubbing her hands together.
Child. I just had to show y'all that. Them some ugly little twins. Look, y'all. And then it's two of them. How the